Hi everyone, it's Gina. Today I'm going to show you how I made Poe, Raven's mascot decoration. I made him to go on TV for my Ravens DIY football segment. To make Poe, you will need a large cereal box, craft foam, tin cans, and wrapping paper rolls. You will also need purple felt, black fabric, white ribbon, and a purple t-shirt. I bought this all from Hobby Lobby. The last thing you will need is 6-inch styrofoam ball and a paper tube. I used a ribbon spool. Cut a piece of felt and wrap it around the tin can. Secure with hot glue. These will make the legs. Download the free pattern for Poe's beak. I will put the link down below, and cut out with gray craft foam. Take a piece of cloth and put it over the craft foam and use a warm, dry iron to heat up the craft foam and mold it into the beak shape. The eye pattern was included in the beak pattern. Cut out the eyes and glue together with craft glue. Glue the larger part of the beak onto the smaller part of the beak and glue the rounded curves onto the top of the beak. Wrap black fabric around the styrofoam ball and glue with craft glue or hot glue. This is the fun part. Glue the beak and the eyes onto the styrofoam ball. This will make Poe come alive. Glue the tin cans onto the cereal box to make the legs. Glue black fabric or felt around the paper tube to make the neck. Hot glue the neck to the top of the cereal box and hot glue wrapping paper rolls to each side of the neck. Bend the wrapping paper roll on each arm to make the elbow. I hot glued wooden stirrers on each side of the elbow to secure. Glue a piece of fabric around the box the length you would like the shorts. Cut a V to make it look like shorts, accent with ribbon and with the Ravens logo. Put the shirt onto the body of Poe. Wrap fabric around each arm and have fabric hanging down. Cut points onto the fabric to make it look like feathers. There is no wrong way to do it, just have fun with it. Glue a piece of black craft foam around the bottom of each can to make the feet. Glue a curved piece of craft foam onto the can to make the shoe. I accented the front of the shoes with strips of black ribbon to make it look like laces. Add the Ravens logo to the front of the shirt to finish your amazing Poe mascot. Didn't he come out nice? I just love him. He looks like a miniature version of Poe. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. Till next time, bye!